Hello, everyone. Happy new month to you all. Happy 1st of February 2026. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. Just like yesterday, we are in January 1st. Already, we are in the second month of the year. You can see how the month is going. Time is ticking. Time wait for no one. Oh. So whatever you are doing, my advice to you is every year go on your knees on the last day of the year. Always pray for God, guardians to guide you and make your wishes. And while you are making wishes, always ask for one or two things. When some people want to pray to God, they will ask for 100 things, they will ask for 50 things. How will God not know what you really want the most? God will just ignore your prayer. So my advice to you, whenever you are praying to God, always ask for one or two things. Tell God, this is what I want this year. Help me to achieve it. Help me and keep me safe. Protect me. Let me stay healthy. And go for your goal. Walk through it. Fight to get whatever you want. But when you start making a plan, you want 10 things, you want 20 things, your prayer will just be left in a corner unanswered, because God will not really know if those things you are asking are important to you or not. So because as you can see, time wait for no one. The year is always going fast. Before you know, we will be in the end of 2026, ready for 2027 again. My God. Anyway, may God Almighty continue to protect us, keep us safe. That is the most important thing. Healthy. So always make one or two plan and walk through your goals. See how you can achieve it before the year runs out. And stay positive. Never give up in whatever you are doing. Believe in yourself. And if it turns out that you cannot achieve it in that year, work hard to get it in the next year. You understand? And do not put another thing on top of it. Make sure that first thing, two things you need, that you get it before that things. And if you are somebody who always go out to party, who always do things, cut some of the things you are doing down so that you can walk through your goals, so that you can achieve it, because time wait for no one. If you are a party somebody, or you have a lot of friends, there is time coming in the future, all those people around you, you will not see them anymore. Even some of them will be the one to laugh behind you. So focus on yourself, or focus on your family, focus on whatever you are doing. Walk through your future. Plan down for your future, so that when time comes, you will enjoy it. So that is my advice to you in this new month. And happy new month, happy 1st of February. So guess what, my people? This is catfish you are seeing here. This is yan. Why did they cut it? Because in the shop, when I buy it, sometimes when I notice some places are not good, I always add them to cut it, because as you all know, here in Europe, we always pay for the kilo. When we are buying yam, the weight, so is the gram or the kilo you are paying for. So imagine if you have a yam that is not good anymore, you don't know, and you pay for it. When you are back home, you will have to cut all these things away. So like you lost your money, you understand? Because it happened to me a lot. So that is why anytime I buy a yam, if I see anything suspicious, I always ask them to cut it first. Let me see if it's okay inside before they will now weigh it, before I will not pay. So you see yam, you see plantain, you see beans, you see catfish, and here is Maggi. This is meat Maggi. This is chicken. This is also chicken, just to give it a flavor and some taste. So I will leave you to watch this video to the end and drop your thought. What do you think I'm going to make out of these things? I will see if you can a good guesser. It's possible maybe you will get something if you guess it right. So I will leave you behind to say whatever you think I'm going to cook, or what do you think I'm going to prepare. So let's see if we have a good guester in the house. And in the meantime, happy new month to you. Stay blessed and stay positive.